Today I'm making my orange ginger salmon. Using a paring knife, carefully scrape the skin off the ginger. Using a fruit juicer, squeeze the juice of one orange. Then grate some of the zest of the orange and grate one large knob of ginger. Crush about 4 cloves of garlic. Pour the juice over the salmon. Add the basil. The pepper. And the sea salt. Marinate for at least 20 minutes or overnight in the refrigerator. The longer, the better. Peel and slice 1 red onion. In a preheated skillet, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Get it sizzling hot and add the salmon. Cook for about 4 minutes. Turn. Add the marinade. Cook for 3 to 4 more minutes till a little firm. In a preheated skillet, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onions. Two cloves of crushed garlic. Cook for about 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes and cook for about 2 minutes. Add the basil, pepper, and the sea salt. Toss and cook for about 2 minutes. Add the spinach. And cook for about 3 minutes.